Have you ever been in the situation where you have the PDF file and you need to fill a form in that PDF document, or maybe just simply edit the text and you don't know how to do that? You have searched thousands of online softwares but can't figure out how to do that? Then you are at the right place, because Canva provides the best solution for this and it can be done very easily. So let's get started with this video. But before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And if you want to follow the complete course, check out the playlist provided in the description. And with this said, let's get started. Now we will learn how you can import or edit the PDF documents. Right now, I have a PDF document that I have opened in Brave default browser. So as you can see that this will be used just to view the document and you cannot edit that. And even if you're using the software like Adobe Acrobat Reader, even in the Pro version, when you click on edit, it's very difficult to edit the document in that softwares. In Canva, it's super easy. Now what I'm going to do in Canva is just open the Canva and open that PDF folder where you have all the PDFs, and then drag and drop to the Canva like this. Now you can see that if you scroll downwards, it is automatically designing it according to Canva. And now you can simply click and open it. And if I zoom it a little bit, it is already under the edit mode. Now you can edit that easily, like you can see that. Now each of these are already in the edit mode. For example, instead of checking account, I might want to mention the bank name, that is for example Barclays Bank. So I can easily do that. Under name, if you want to change it to account name, let's say. So all of these are easily editable in Canva. You can try any of your PDF document, just upload, drag and drop it on Canva and try to edit that. It's super convenient. So this is how you can easily edit your PDF documents in Canva. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.